She stay up at nights when her child is unwell. Her comfort to him makes a soothing remedy. She's familiar with his peculiar ways. She move to the heartbeat of him. She acts as psychic and feels the same. Her eyes speak to him when he cry out. She cradles his head and soothe his mouth. Within a few seconds, no, not a shout. You mighty yet gentle woman. You birth this nation. You cradle this house. Children feel comfort with you, for you are Mother Jamaica. Your love is pure like water crystals. Your love conquers. Your sapience exceed all women. For when others out gallivanting about, you dedicate your time to your children. You take the high with the low, but you never leave. Your foremost drive was for them to achieve. You make way for opportunities you want them to have. You the life, you the hope, you are everything and more.